In this video, we will illustrate the unique intersection of two separate but powerful and compatible technologies: Robotic Process Automation, or RPA, and Analytical Process Automation, or APA, which allows us to process high volumes of transactions and analyze data with velocity and accuracy. What you will see is the simulation of an automated loan application process with a credit union. On the screen is the first RPA sequence. This workflow will initialize by launching a data entry form with the required fields for a member to enter. After submission, a REST API call will be made to Alteryx server to pass the entered details and launch a workflow. The member would enter their member ID, amount requested for a loan, requested term for the loan, their annual income, the total amount of assets that they have, any outstanding debt, and finally their social security number. Once submitted, the robot completes the API call, transfers the data, and completes. Moving into Alteryx server, which is the hosting site for APA workflows that both users and robots can access, we can see that the initial API call has successfully run the workflow we initialized through RPA. The workflow, which is hosted in server, ingests the data and accesses another stream of data contained in a fictional CRM with corresponding member information, and is joined into a single stream for analysis. From there, Alteryx makes several calculations using the loan amount, credit history, annual salary, and age. Applicants are then filtered into their corresponding queues, either accepted or denied. Finally, another API call is made from Alteryx to the RPA orchestration hub to continue the process. Once the RPA orchestration hub receives the API call from Alteryx, an available robot will pick up the approved and denied files and act on them. For applicants who are approved for a loan, the robot will navigate to the internal loan generation website and log in. Next, it will go to the internal loan application screen and input member data to generate an interest rate and loan ID for each of the approved applicants. The generated interest rates and loan IDs are saved in the corresponding row of the approved file for record keeping. In this final step, the robot will generate loan status emails to all applicants. It executes this using one of the two templates that have been created, and then the applicant information is injected to personalize the messages before sending them to the email address that was provided. The first email message lets the applicant know their loan request was approved, communicates the calculated interest rate they receive, and prompts them to log into the credit union web portal and use the loan ID to move forward with the loan. The denied email message is a simple notification message letting the applicant know their request was denied. To learn more about how to utilize RPA and APA to optimize your business processes, please visit our website and request a meeting with one of our hyperautomation experts.